How to fix segment import failed YouTube short upload problem. Now, if you're facing this error whenever you are trying to upload your YouTube short, then in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open up your gallery. Now from here you want to find the video that you're trying to upload. Now you want to tap on the edit icon. Here you want to make sure that you resize the video. So if the resolution is 1080p, then you want to change that to 720p. For that, go ahead and tap on the resize option, then go ahead and resize your video. Once you have changed the resolution, save the video, then you simply want to head back over to YouTube, tap on the plus icon, then select shorts. Now upload the resized video over here, complete the rest of the steps, and this issue will no longer appear. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.